Afternoon guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're going to do a Towbar video today. Now we have already on our channel got a T6.1 with a Westphalia detachable towbar, but we have started to move away from the Westphalia range because of stocking issues, shortage, availability, and a few other reasons, and we're now going towards the tow truss bar. Now believe it or not, I'm not just holding this for the sake of it. This is already in and fitted to this T6.1. So the boys, first thing this morning, started work on this, bumper off, fitting the actual framework for the tow bar itself, routing all the cables underneath the vehicle to the front, up in through the engine bay, and then into the BCM to give you the dedicated electronics. You can choose between 7-pin or 13-pin depending on what you want to do. A lot of bike racks now, especially LED ones, can be 13-pin, but mostly 7-pin is for a bike rack, a trailer, a speedboat, a trailer board, anything like that, whereas 13-pin is known more for things like caravans and something that you want a little bit more in depth, reverse light, fog light, and ancillary charging as well. Now this vehicle has already got a tow bar fitted, you just can't see it, and that's the luxury of having detachable tow bar rather than something really ugly on it. So what we're going to do is just during the video show you how the tow bar fits and works. First of all, underneath here I'm just going to take out the dust cap. You get one of these with every installation of the tow truss bar. You also get a set of keys, which we will write down the key number for you in case you lose that. You get a little soft bag to put your tow truss tow bar in. They look very similar to the other ones on the market, and to be fair, it's only really the actual tow hitch that slightly differs. So when you put the tow hitch in, you just put it in like so, and with one hand you just hold the weight of the tow hitch and you push it up until it clicks, and all that does then is the locking mechanism has turned green. It's got a simple traffic light on there. Red is when it's unlocked and green is when it's locked in place. The next bit, most importantly, is you open the little dust guard, you put the key into the tow bar itself. So once you've got the key in, you can just turn the key 180 degrees, take the key out. To be honest, I do struggle with these, so a bit of WD-40 or Everyman oil on there or something, or 3-in-1 just helps as well. Pop the dust cover back over and your tow bar is on. Up to you whether you keep the little dust cap on. Obviously you're going to have to take it off when you hook it up. So the electrics in most of our installs are on a bracket that slides down, so when you want it, it's there. When you don't want it and you're not using the tow bar, it's tucked up out of the way. Most importantly with these is that detachable tow bar, as long as your vehicle has a towing weight, can do what you want with it. Some of the newer vehicles now can have a tow bar for bikes, but there's no towing weight. So if in doubt and you don't know about it, check with us or check with the manufacturer, because if you haven't got a towing weight for your car that's potentially electric, then you're going to be useless having a tow bar unless you're just carrying bikes, e-bikes or something similar. So with the electrics now, this particular customer has gone for 13-pin, which is quite common, and we're just going to plug in our dedicated testing kit. With our testing kit like so, we're just going to pop it in and then lock it in. Now I've got Richard sat in the front of the vehicle, so he's just going to put the side lights on. The side lights are on, and again you can see on the vehicle that they're also on. If he now puts his foot on the brake and also then either does a left or right indicator, and then does hazards, and then pops it into reverse, and also a fog light. So all of these functions you will get with a 13-pin. Now the reason why people go for 13-pin, as I said, it's because it's a little bit more intelligent with the reverse light and the fog light. But also you've then got with the dedicated electrics that we always fit, we won't fit a tow bar with a universal relay bypass or something similar, is that this integrated kit talks to the factory parking sensors and also talks to the reversing camera. So for instance, when you're hooked up with this trailer board, it doesn't know that we haven't got something behind, but the parking sensors are then muted so that it doesn't drive you potty. But also on the factory display at the front, the reversing camera will show a little picture of a trailer, just to remind you that you can't be doing 95 miles an hour down the motorway because you might have something on the back. Also on the instrument cluster, it always used to be that you would hear a beep when you're indicating left or right. That's now a thing of the past, but you generally get a little signal or notification to say that you have got an extension to your vehicle. So this is a tow truss detachable tow bar. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to unplug the electrics, if Richard can turn it all off. And we're just going to unplug, tuck the electrics out the way. I'm now going to struggle for another hour to put the key in. So whilst we do that, we're going to put the key in like so. Turn the key 180 degrees. And then shut the little dust cap. When you're ready, you are going to put one hand under your tow hitch, you're going to push in and lift out. It's that simple. Once you've done that, you get a little soft bag to put your tow bar in. You can put the dust cap back in and away you go. So that's it, T6.1. This is a 2023 73 plate. Now has a really nice and neat and tidy removable detachable tow bar with dedicated electrics. If you've got a vehicle like this and you want a decent 7 or 13 pin tow bar that's detachable with dedicated electrics, then get in touch with us. Website's in the bio. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and thanks for watching.